Only 1,639 people walking in God's green earth have this box, have what's inside this box, and probably have it on their wrist. This is the limited edition Seiko Sumo Zimbe in blue, black, gold, and purple. Yes, you heard that right. I said purple. Actually, a lot of people are calling this the Thanos watch. And you'll get to see that more as we unbox it, open it, and check it out. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, let me give you 2 reasons to do so. Number 1, we are giving away a Supreme body bag in partnership with Randy Galang as well as Kickstart Philippines. I will be drawing the winner of this one very soon, so make sure that you guys are subscribed and that you follow the mechanics. Number 2, I am giving away a Nike Infinity reacting your size. Again, all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the link in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. Now, if you guys don't know, I am a massive fan of the Mad Titan Thanos. In fact, it's the main reason why I have an Infinity Gauntlet collection here at home. I have several that you can actually articulate the fingers and wear. I have a giant life-size Infinity Gauntlet upstairs, which is like my prized grail collection when it comes to all of my collectibles. And it's just something that I find so appealing, especially the crazy personality of the Mad Titan. And that's the reason why when I found out that there was a watch, a limited edition watch that was named after, unofficially, by people as the Thanos watch, I just had to get my hands on it. So we'll do the unboxing first, and then we'll talk about the watch, and then at the end of this video, I'm actually going to unbox a sneaker just to round everything off. It's an Air Force One that I've had sitting on shelves that I haven't gone to, so we'll do that also. So let's get to the watch. Now, as you guys can see, it comes in this brown carton box, and if you pop it open, it's one of those box inside the box things. So this one is another white box, and if you pop it open, you have another box, and if you pop this box open, actually you have another box. So that's how many boxes it takes to protect this limited edition watch. This is actually a Thai exclusive, and the Zimbe is the whale shark. So this is to promote the conservation of that particular species. And if you pop the box open, bam, take a look at how insanely purple and blue that watch is. Now, as you can see, the box over here says Seiko Prospects, and then you have the Zimbe limited edition marking at the top of the lid. You have that velvety purple like space where the watch rests. You have an extra rubber strap over here, and then you get to the actual timepiece, which is just absolutely stunning. This is one of the watches that you either hate or love. It's polarizing, you like it or you don't. Just so happens that for some weird reason, I like it. Now, what are the features of this watch? If you take a look at the dial, it is a blue wave dial, which is just kind of mesmerizing if you take a closer look at it. It's not your typical dial that's kind of boring and just dull. It just captures you and captivates you and makes you want to look, especially with the contrast of the purple and the gold. It has sapphire glass for the top, which makes it scratch resistant, and it should do really well against your typical nicks and nudges. The case and the strap uses a stainless steel black coating, and it uses the 6R15 automatic movement of Seiko, which is a fantastic movement to have in a watch like this one. It's kind of like a notch down what you would normally see in luxury or more high-end Seikos. It has a 3-fold clasp over here that you use to be able to lock it on your wrist, and it is water resistant up to 200 meters. And if you take a look at the back of the case, it actually says the number there. So out of the 1,639 pieces, this is number 521. Now, what do I love about this particular watch? It boils down to 3 things. Number 1, it's the Thanos inspiration. I'm a huge fan of the Mad Titan, like what I mentioned earlier. And while it is not officially a collaboration between Marvel and Seiko for this watch, the fact that a lot of people know it as the Thanos watch just makes me want to have it even more. And number 2, it's really the wrist presence. And when I say wrist presence, it's the fact that you can actually wear it as your, what do you call this, like your accent for the outfit that you're wearing for the day. So instead of, wearing like super hype sneakers, you can actually wear more subtle ones and, subtle clothing, and then let the pop come from your wrist. That contrast between the wave blue dial with the purple, man, and the gold just makes this watch such a nice conversation piece, especially if people notice it when they see it on your wrist. I mean, every time I look at it, it just I mean, it's one of those watches that really holds my gaze. I mean, some of the watches you just quickly look at, flick your wrist, take a look at the time, and you're good. But this is one of the watches, man, when I take a look at it, I just want to stare at it. So, I mean, again, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Some of you probably hate it. Some of you probably think that's overkill and that it's trashy. But man, as somebody who, you know, I think this watch was specifically made for people like me who are fans of Thanos and fans of crazy colors like this. But I'm sure I'm not the only person in this planet. I'm sure that there are like 1,638 other people who bought the watch. But yeah, really happy and stoked to have this in my watch collection. And lastly, I just love the fact that it's so unique. I mean, I haven't seen a lot of watches like this, and having a piece like it, for me, just makes it so collectible. And the fact that, again, it is limited edition, hopefully through the years you'll see the value go up if you take care of it. But hey, I'm not in there to sell this down the road. I'm going to wear this hard, probably going to get a lot of scratches along the way, but I really love this watch. Super thrilled and happy to have it in my collection. How much is this particular watch selling for? Now, I don't know the actual retail price when it came out, but a lot of people are actually selling it online anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200. So that's anywhere from 55 to 65 to 70,000 pesos. I've seen some people actually selling it for much more than that. But yeah, I think I got a good deal out of this. I got it at the lower end of that spectrum. So that's our Seiko watch unboxing for the day. What do you guys think of the watch? Let me know in the comment section down below. And before we end, let me just give a quick shout out to the next guy. So I want to give a quick shout out to My Boost Closet for hooking me up with an Air Force One that I've been wanting to have for quite a while now. This is the Air Force One I'm Interrupted. I think it's in collaboration. I'm not sure if it's a fashion label of LeBron or if it's an NGO by LeBron, or it's some, all I know that LeBron James is involved with it. So it's the I Am Interrupted. So apparently the thinking behind it is that LeBron always emphasizes that he's more than an athlete. He's more than just, you know, what you perceive him to be. And he's there to break, you know, glass ceilings, to really make a statement. And that's what this sneaker symbolizes. If you take a look at it, it is blue and white. It says I Am Interrupted repeatedly just in between the midsole and the top of the shoe. And it says over here, uninterrupted at the back of the heel on the right pair, but on the left pair it says I am more than. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take the markers that comes with the sneaker. So these are your typical Sharpies in blue and black, and you're supposed to write on the shoe. So you can actually say over here, I am more than a YouTuber, I am more than a whatever, I'm more than an actor, I'm more than a lawyer, I'm more than a doctor, I'm more than a call center agent, I'm more than whatever it is that you want to say. You can actually write it here. So it's one of those sneakers that encourage personalization and customization. So really happy to have this. I think I've had this sneaker sitting in our like sneaker bodega for the last few months now, and it's just now that I've rediscovered it after going through some of the sneakers to put in the steel cabinet, and I just wanted to, you know, put it again here on the channel. So again, shout out to Abe and My Boost Closet for hooking me up with this one way back. So you have a sticker over here. I'll link down below to their Instagram account just in case you guys want to reach out to them. I'll probably put this on feet and doodle on it just for the heck of it because it looks fun. And I'll probably chime back with you guys with the on-feet review after that happens. You know what? Looking at this purple watch reminds me of a sneaker over here that I recently did an unboxing of. So it's the same color motif. It's black and gold and it's purple. So I mean, take a look at that. That match is just uncanny. So this, of course, is the LeBron 17 Monstars from the All-Star Weekend drop, together with the Kyrie 6 trophy, the PG4 Gatorade, the KD12 Don C. This one I did an unboxing and on-feet review on. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll put a link down below as well. So again, you see the Monstars logo or the Monstars feel with the tongue tab. This one is in orange, the other one is in purple. Really love this sneaker, and it's a nice addition to the collection. It kind of matches the watch. So probably if you wear the shoe, you can wear the watch. I don't know if that's your thing. And that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to join the giveaway because I'm about to draw the winner for the Supreme Body Bag really soon. So make sure that you guys are part of the raffle when it happens. I'm planning on drawing it this weekend already, maybe Sunday. So be sure to be part of the pool so you get the chance to win the Supreme body bag. And that said, as usual, peace, 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 peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.